It's me Hisham. Welcome to Hisham Zarina. Today we are going to be experiencing a jolly metro train ride. So in normal trains you have a paper like this. But here in the Chennai Metro we have a credit card like ticket. You must scan it, then the gates open, you go through. I was so excited that I started walking up the escalator. This is the Chennai Airport station. We are heading towards the platform in which our train is going to arrive. The train has arrived and it's a pleasant evening. There is the engine.
Next train, Park, will be leaving from platform 2.
We are waiting for the doors to open. So the Chennai Metro lasts from Chennai Airport to Nehru Station. We have boarded the train and the doors are about to close. Now what you see is the Chennai Airport. And we can see a beautiful sunset and also a local train going down below. Now you can see the ADC control tower on your left. Now we can see the runways of the Chennai Airport. Can you spot a plane over there? Yeah. Now we are going down. You can see the stations being highlighted and the blinking light is the approaching station. That is the Chennai Mafsal bus terminal at Coimbatore. Oh, now we are underground and this beautiful evening ride is going to end. But we will be back in the return ride. Now the doors open and we depart from the train. This is the Anna Nagar Tower. So we don't know where the exit is and we are looking for it. Where is the exit? Can you spot it? Oh, there it is. So, you must not throw this ticket away. You must take this, scan it once again. You can refill your ticket by paying money. That's my grandpa. Oh no, guys, remember, you must not leave your ticket because this is a reusable ticket. Oh, there's another train. But this is not our train. This is an underground station. The same Anna Nagar station. train. See, the doors are closed. The train's departing. Bye bye. Now our train is coming. Our train is coming. I can hear it. I can see it. I can hear it. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. There. You see the lights of the train. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. And it's coming to a stop. And now we board the train. I was so excited. Do you see where I am? I was so excited that I wanted to go to and fro from the front to the end of the train. Now I'm going to come in. You see me right now? You see me? You see me coming? There I come! Chugga chugga choot choot! Here I come! I'm really enjoying this metro ride.